Hello, my name is Debbie Sugar, and I'm going to talk to you about the 5 components of teaching reading. And this is what actually makes for effective reading instruction. And so we have phonemic awareness, phonics, vocabulary, fluency, and comprehension. And so the first one here, phonemic awareness, this is when students really need to become aware of the different sounds that are in spoken words. So they need to understand the parts of each word and what makes up the word so they can blend those phonemes together to create words. When they're reading, they can recognize them on the page and be able to understand the sounds. Then we have number 2, phonics. This is when we look at the relationship between the written spoken letters and the sounds. So we really need to make sure that the students do understand what sounds the letters make and how to put those all together to construct words. So we can teach those different ways by just explicitly showing them the sounds through even use of spelling and even embedding that into lessons when we're using our text. The third part and component to teaching reading is getting students to have a good vocabulary. This is, of course, the knowledge of words, their definitions, and their context. So we can use a lot of different ways to help students increase their vocabulary. Reading, the more they read, the more they are exposed to different words. Also, we can explicitly teach our vocabulary directly during our lessons, like keywords. And we can use graphic organizers like the Frayer model to help them visualize the definition, examples of the words, non-examples, that type of thing. Also, 4 is fluency. This is students, their ability to read with accuracy, with appropriate rate, expression, and phrasing. So reading should sound like talking. Basically, we can have students practice reading together. They can practice with a partner or with a teacher themselves. They can also have fun doing a reader's theater where they actually perform or act out something that they have been reading. And then the last component to effective instruction for reading is comprehension. This, of course, is the end goal, to make sure that what students are reading, they are comprehending. So comprehension is, of course, the understanding of the meaning in the text itself. So when teachers are going through comprehension, they can think aloud. They can also help students make different connections and inferences to the meanings that will help them remember the word later. So there's just lots of components, but all 5 are needed to be able to teach reading effectively. So thank you.